ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 54 Subreports. Just as a subform can be contained within a main form, a subreport containing specific linked information can be contained on a main report. The easiest way to create a main/subreport is to use the Subreport wizard. A number of questions are then asked to guide you through the steps. Okay, let's try this out. Let's open the transport database and open the bus details report. Switch to design view and increase the height of the detail area. Make sure that Control Wizard is on, which it is right now. Then, within the Controls group, click on the Subform/Subreport button, which is this one here, and click in the detail area beneath the existing fields. From the Subreport wizard, select to use an existing report or form, and select the Servicing History report. Click Next. Select to choose from a list and select to show servicing records for each record in buses using fleet number. Click Next and accept the subreport name Servicing History. OK, let's click Finish. Save the report and display it in Report View. Note that in this case, the column headings in the Servicing History report were included in the report header area so that they would be displayed when the report was used as a subreport. OK, switch to Design View and select the subreport. Display the property sheet and check that Servicing History is displayed as the selected object. To remove the subreport from the report layout, simply press Delete. OK, if you now close the report without saving, and then close the database. OK, so that's the end of lesson 54. We've looked at subreports, and in the next two lessons we're going to look at using calculated fields and also calculating percentages. I sincerely hope you're keeping up. I'm hoping you're finding it all useful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.